Hey everyone, so we are now in Porto de Galinhas, and I'm going to tour you about the apartment that we're gonna rent for 2 weeks. So here's it. So here's the kitchen. So what do we have? Oh, nice. Oh, they have some stuff there. Plates, glasses, microwave. And then here's the cooking stuff. What do we have? Okay. The cooking utensils. And then here's the living room. And then television. I think this is the dining. It's too small. Too small to eat here, so probably this is gonna end up a working station. And just eat there on that small table. But yeah, the place is kind of small, but it's nice, right, Lemmy? Mm-hmm. It's cute.
I agree. All we need.
And then there's a small balcony. So yeah, we can actually eat here as well. So yeah, there. So here's our neighbor. I think the beach is on that way. Yeah, this is cool. So it's nice. They have a hammock. We're gonna try that later. Then let's go to the bedroom. Yeah, it's air conditioned because, as you know, Brazil is really hot as well. What is this? Okay, so there is stuff here. Actually, I can work here as well. Make it as my working station. Right, just put a table here and then work. Cool. So yeah, there's the cabinet, or it's not considered a cabinet, but probably hanging like a rack or something. And yeah, there's a small mirror here again. And this is the restroom. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's just a simple restroom. Sink here. And it's, you know, like, it's so funny because you have a dual access, like a door here and a door going to the bedroom. And this is the shower area. Nice. But you know what? I feel like it's not complete without a washing machine. So, oh well. So much for watching this video, and if you do like it, hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to follow all my social media and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna post the link below. This is another Airbnb apartment or condo or whatever you call that. But yeah, bye.